Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, it's not normal that your battery percentage is not showing. What you guys want to do first is restart the device to reset the battery sensor, and this should fix our battery. Now let's hold the power button only and tap restart and click OK. So that restarts our phone. I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. After the phone restart, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the settings. Now let's scroll down to battery, and in the battery make sure that you enable your battery percentage. Now this should fix your issue, but if it didn't, or you just don't have it on your device because there's some accidents where they just don't include it and you have your battery like that, you're always guessing what percentage you're on, then what you guys want to do is go over to the Play Store and go to search. Now search for battery widget, and here I always use the battery Widget Reborn by Thomas Subalik. Now we're gonna click install, and so far this app is very good, and now we're just gonna wait for it to stop downloading. We're gonna click open, and here we're gonna go over and click start manually. Now here we can add a widget. Here we have our battery usage and the remaining time, and of course the temperature. Now we're gonna go here, we're gonna hold our screen and go to widgets. I'm gonna click on the battery widget reborn, and here we can choose which widget do we want to use. So I always use this one. Now I'll place it, let's say here, and here you guys can change it, but of course it's pro, so just confirm it. And here you have a battery widget. So that's it for the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.